Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the device has power and network access because account checks may be required. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to Security or Lock screen. You don't need extra apps. You will be asked to confirm the current pattern, PIN, or password. This step prevents unauthorized removal. Enter your credentials as prompted so the system can verify you. Once done, you'll proceed to the screen lock options where you can disable the pattern. You now pick screen lock type and authenticate. This is the critical middle step because it grants permission to change security. After verification, select None or swipe to remove the pattern and accept any warnings about reduced security. Make sure to follow any additional prompts. Some devices ask for your Google account password to disable protection fully. If you plan to replace the pattern with biometrics, enroll them now. Otherwise, the lock will be removed immediately, and you can continue using the device. You finish by locking the screen and unlocking to confirm the pattern removal worked. This quick test avoids surprises. Then decide whether to set up an alternate method, PIN or fingerprint, so your device stays protected while remaining convenient. If you cannot authenticate because you forgot credentials, use account recovery first. If that fails, a factory reset via recovery mode will remove the lock but erase data. Troubleshooting tip: if factory reset triggers activation lock, contact the device maker or use the associated account recovery procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.